Okay, so I really want to wear this top, and I feel like I never wear it because I can't wear a bra with it because, you know, but there's always a situation going on. So I've been on the hunt for some covers. So Busties was so awesome, came in clutch. They sent me some tape, which I'm excited to try, some satin covers, and then they also sent me these silicone covers, which I'm gonna give these ones a try today. So if you don't know, I live in Texas. It gets hotter than hot here, and it's humid today. It's 85 degrees today, if you can't tell by this hair situation. So I'm going to put these to the test, and I'm gonna report back to you at the end of the day. Let's see how they do. Okay, I've got them on. I will say I didn't put it like dead on center because whatever. Anyways, I had to like take it off and like redo it, and it did not hurt at all to take off, and it was still super sticky. So props to that. All right, I will let you know how the end of the day goes after all this heat. Okay, hi. It's actually the next day because I ended up wearing them all day. I was outside most of the day. It was hot and I was sweating, and let me tell you, they hung on. No slippage. 100% passed the Texas heat check. I'm actually wearing them again today, so love them. Next up, I definitely am going to try the tape. They put this in all of their kits, which I appreciate. As somebody with sensitive skin, they give you a little patch to test to make sure that you don't have a reaction before you're like taping everything up. So I definitely appreciate that. I will say I have had 0 reactions. I did give it a try, and I have super sensitive skin, and we passed that test as well. And then next up, I'm definitely gonna have to give these satin covers a try as well. But you guys can join me. Go grab these from Amazon. They're up on Amazon, because who wants to wear a bra this summer? It's too hot for that. We're not doing that. Literally, go get yourself your own kits from Busties on Amazon. I've linked them below. You can go check out their page and look at them that way as well, but definitely recommend.